G'day folks, welcome to the Bush TV. In this one, it's nice and quick. I just want to sort of run you through what I've done to the 80 series. She's had a little bit of a makeover, so some of you already know, she's had a bit of a dress up. This is not just for the 4x4 show, but you know what? It's something different and she's come up a treat, so I thought I'd make a quick video, guys, just to show you a bit of the process. Thanks for watching, guys. So folks, it's a very time consuming project, and in fact it took me 5 hours to get this bonnet wrap off. When I first started I didn't think it'd be that hard, but folks, on the second day I'll tell you, the fingers were pretty sore. So it's a very time consuming process and impossible to do without a heat gun. I wasn't too worried about the paint on the bonnet as I'm getting that resprayed anyway. But still, at the same, I sort of had to take it easy. We didn't want to leave too much glue on the bonnet to make the job harder to respray. And with a majority of the wrap off, now I can't reach the middle. So unfortunately, I have to take the bonnet off the 80 series to finish this job off. Well, there it is. That's the bonnet wrap. All done. Now that took me, let's have a look, because I did time this now, I did turn it off a couple of times. That took me, literally, the whole job, let's stop it, 5 hours and 9 minutes, folks. Literally 5 hours and 9 minutes. Alright, so that's quite a big job, but it's done now. And there's another couple of steps to get this 80 series ready for the show. And the next step was to remove the sponsor stickers from the sides and get the bonnet resprayed gloss 2-pack black. Next, it's Tristan from the sign shop's turn, and he's got a cracking design all ready to go for the old girl. And with the resprayed bonnet 2-pack gloss black, the old girl's starting to look a real treat. A huge thanks goes out to one of my sponsors, Tristan from the sign shop. This 80 series is starting to look an absolute treat, and we're ready to hit the 4-wheel drive show in Melbourne. Again folks, thanks for watching, stay tuned, and we'll see you in the next one.